You will fail as a K-pop idol if you make these 30 mistakes. If you are making even one of these mistakes, then your chances of becoming a K-pop idol are already getting lower. Mistake 1. You only practice when you feel motivated. Some days you feel excited and you train a lot, but on other days you do nothing. This creates an uneven progress and slows you down. Real trainees do not wait for motivation because motivation is temporary. They build discipline and practice even when they feel tired or lazy. If you depend on feelings, you will never reach a professional level. Mistake 2. You copy idols without understanding what they are doing. You watch groups like BTS or Blackpink and try to copy every move exactly, but copying is not learning because you are not understanding the technique behind the movement. When you don't understand the basics, your dance will look empty and weak. Instead, you should focus on how the movement works and how your body should control it. Mistake 3. You ignore basic skills like timing, balance, and posture. You want to learn full choreography quickly, but you skip the foundation. This creates messy and unstable movements. Without strong basics, even simple moves will look wrong. Professional dancers spend years improving basics because that is what makes their performance clean and powerful. Mistake 4. You don't record yourself while practicing. You think you are doing everything correctly, but in reality you cannot see your own mistakes. Recording yourself shows the truth and helps you notice small details like posture, timing, and energy. When you compare your video with the original choreography, you understand where you are lacking and how to fix it. Mistake 5. You dance with low energy, and this makes your performance look boring and weak. K-pop is all about strong presence and powerful execution. Even simple movements should look sharp and full of energy. If you hold back your energy, your performance will never stand out in front of judges or audience. Mistake 6. You ignore your facial expressions or make awkward faces while dancing. Your face is just as important as your body because it shows emotion and connects with the audience. If your face looks blank, your performance will feel empty, and if your expressions are wrong, it can ruin the entire vibe of the performance. Mistake 7. You give up too fast when things get difficult. You try learning a choreography once or twice and then move on because it feels hard. But real improvement comes from repeating the same thing again and again until your body remembers it naturally. Giving up early is one of the biggest reasons people fail. Mistake 8. You ignore learning Korean even though it is very important for your journey. Communication training and understanding instructions all depend on language. Even basic Korean knowledge can help you a lot and show companies that you are serious about becoming an idol. Mistake 9. You overthink every move and every mistake, which makes your body stiff and unnatural. Instead of flowing with the music, you become tense and robotic. Overthinking destroys your confidence and stops you from performing freely. You need to trust your practice and let your body move naturally. Mistake 10. You treat becoming a K-pop idol like a hobby instead of a serious goal. You skip practice sessions and you don't push yourself enough. But this industry is extremely competitive and only those who treat it like a full-time commitment can succeed. If you are not serious, someone else will take your place. Mistake 11. You compare yourself too much with idols who have trained for many years. This lowers your confidence and makes you feel like you are not good enough. But everyone starts at a different level and grows at a different speed. Instead of comparing, you should focus on your own improvement. Mistake 12. You don't take care of your body and health. You eat unhealthy food, you don't sleep properly, and you don't exercise regularly. All of this affects your stamina, energy, and performance quality. Your body is your main instrument, so you must treat it with care. Mistake 13. You ignore vocal training and only focus on dance, but idols are expected to sing and dance at the same time. If your vocals are weak, your chances become lower. You need to train both equally to become a complete performer. Mistake 14. You lack confidence while performing, and this makes even good skills look weak. Confidence is what makes people notice you. When you perform with confidence, your presence becomes stronger and more attractive. Mistake 15. You don't understand how the K-pop industry works. It is not just about talent but also about teamwork, discipline, image, and attitude. If you don't understand this, you will struggle even if your skills are good. Mistake 16. You are not consistent with your practice and you train only sometimes. This slows down your improvement and breaks your progress. Daily practice is necessary if you want to reach a high level. Mistake 17. You ignore feedback and don't listen to advice from others. Feedback helps you understand your mistakes and improve faster. If you ignore it, you will stay at the same level. Mistake 18. You don't stand out and you look like everyone else. Companies see thousands of trainees, so you need something unique that makes you memorable. Without uniqueness, you can easily be forgotten. Mistake 19. You stay in your comfort zone and avoid challenging yourself. Doing only easy things will not help you grow. Difficult practice is what improves your skills. Mistake 20. You don't believe in yourself and you doubt your abilities. This weak mindset can stop you from reaching your full potential. Belief gives you strength to keep going. Mistake 21. You rush through choreography and try to learn too fast. This causes mistakes and incomplete movements. Taking your time helps you learn properly and cleanly. Mistake 22. You don't finish your moves completely, and this makes your performance look unprofessional. Every move should have a clear start and strong finish. Mistake 23. You ignore rhythm and dance off beat. Timing is one of the most important parts of dancing. If your timing is wrong, your performance will look bad even if your moves are correct. Mistake 24. You skip warm-up before practice, which can lead to injuries and stiffness. Warming up prepares your body and helps you perform better. Mistake 25. You wear uncomfortable clothes while practicing, which affects your movement and confidence. Proper clothing helps you move freely and practice effectively. Mistake 26. You don't build stamina and get tired quickly during performances. K-pop choreography requires strong endurance, so you need to train your stamina regularly. Mistake 27. You ignore personality and focus only on skills, but idols need charm and presence to connect with people. Personality makes you more attractive as a performer. Mistake 28. You fake your personality and try to act like someone else. Companies can easily notice this, and it creates a negative impression. Being real is always better. Mistake 29. You expect fast results and get frustrated when progress is slow. Becoming an idol takes years of hard work and patience. Rushing the process will only disappoint you. Mistake 30. You quit when things become difficult and lose hope easily. Challenges are part of the journey, and only those who keep going succeed. Quitting is the biggest mistake you can make. If you are truly serious about becoming a K-pop idol, then subscribe to this channel, because here we don't give fake motivation, we give real advice that actually helps you improve.